Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to find the course and distance by mid-latitude sailing. So, using the Bowditch 2024 edition volume 2, we're going to go to page 291. Okay. So now that we're on page 291, we are going to use the example that they give us. Okay. So starting, they use longitude 1 and longitude 2 to find the DLO. Okay, so we're going to take longitude 1, longitude 2, and get the DLO. (88 degrees minus 81.45). That equals 6 degrees, 15 minutes. Okay, so now that we have our DLO, we are going to times it by 60, and that's going to get us 375. Okay, so now we are going to take our latitude 1 and our latitude 2, 7 degrees 05, and our latitude 2, 08, 40. We're going to add those up. 7 degrees, 5 minutes, plus 8 degrees, 40. And that equals 15 degrees, 45 minutes. Okay, so now we have to get our LM. So we're going to divide that by 2. And that equals 7 degrees, 52 minutes, and 30 seconds. So now we're going to take the 52:30 and divide that by 60. And we're going to get 7.871666. Okay, so now we're going to take P equals our DLO, parentheses, cosine our LM, which is 7.871666. Okay, we're going to do that. 375 cosine 7.871. Okay, and that's going to equal 371.466. Okay, so now that we have that, we're going to convert our latitude 1 and our latitude 2. So to convert our latitude 1, we're going to do 5 divided by 60. That's going to equal 0.0833. So it's going to be 7.0833. We're just converting the minutes here. So L2 equals 40 divided by 60, and that's going to equal 8.66666. Once we've got our L1 and L2 converted, we're going to take those two and we're going to subtract them. Minus 8.66. Okay. Okay. So now that we have that, that's going to get us 1.5836. Okay. We're going to times that by 60. And that's going to equal 95.016. Okay. So now we're going to do C equals tan -1, and that's going to be our P, which is 371.466, divided by our L, which is 95.016. That's going to equal 25.65. Okay. Now that we have that, we're going to do our CN equals 75.65. We're going to do 360 minus 75.65. Okay, so. All right, so now once we have that, we're going to subtract it by 360, and that's going to equal 284.35. Okay, so now just looking at our answers here, I can tell that we already have one of our answers, and that's going to be our true course. So once we've done that, we're going to do our distance. Our distance is going to be our L, which is 95.016 divided by our cosine of our course, 75.65. And that's going to equal our distance, 95.016 divided by cosine 75.65. Okay, it's going to equal 383.3. Okay, and that's again going to be our closest answer is going to be this. So 12 is going to be A.